Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Today we are discussing the ratio and proportion part 2 video. Today we are discussing the term proportion. Ratio and proportions are said to be the faces of the same coin. When the two ratios are equal in value, then they are said to be under proportion, or equality of two ratios is said to be proportion. Proportions are denoted by four dots in this manner or equal to in some cases. Let us assume that in proportion the two ratios are A is to B and C is to D. The two terms B, C are called means or mean terms, and whereas A and D are called extremes or extreme terms. Suppose 3 is to 4 we taken one ratio and 9 is to 16 is another ratio. These two are two ratios for suppose we taken. The question is, these two ratios are in proportion or not. If these two ratios are in proportion, let us taken. If this satisfies, product of means equal to product of extremes. That is the condition. How to get this condition means I will say 9 into 4 how much? 36. 16 3s 48. So those two products are not equal na? 16 into 3 and 9 into 4 are not equal. So these two ratios are said to be not equivalent, and also these two ratios are said to be not in proportion. 3 is to 4, 3 is to 4. Always two ratios which are in standard form and also equal, they are always equivalent, and also they are always in proportion, equal, is to. And also suppose 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 6, 3 4s 12, 6 2s 12. These two ratios are proportion. How to frame this question also we can get it. 2 is to 3 is what? Standard form ratio, and if we multiply into 2 times 4 into 6, this is the ratio which is equivalent to 2 is to 3 also. After simplifying you will get it. So these two are equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios are always in proportion. Equivalent ratios are always in proportion, are in proportion always. Next, proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. Since the ratio 4 is to 20 or 4 by 20 is equal to ratio 1 is to 5 or 1 by 5, we can write they are in proportion. 4 is to 20 equal to 1 is to 5 or 4 by 20 equal to 1 by 5. Here B and C are called means, A and D are called extremes, or in this manner. A proportion is an equation that states the two ratios are equal. Before we have discussed it already. And proportion main condition is product of means equal to product of extremes. Let A by B is a ratio. Let's suppose we taken A by B equal to C by D. Two ratios are equal. How to prove that converse statement is true, or we can say that the question is, if two ratios are in proportion, or two ratios are equivalent, or two ratios are equal, then why the product of means equal to product of extremes? We know already cross multiplication proves always. So do cross multiplication. A into D equivalent to B into C. These two ratios are equal or fractions are equal. A is to B is as C is to D. These are means only, these are extremes only. At the situation also A into D equivalent to B into C. For that in that purpose only we will have this proof. This is the proof of that expression. In a proportion, the product of means is always equivalent to product of extremes. Here we have discussed already, this is called cross multiplication. We have also done this question here. 4 by 16, 5 by 20 are in proportion. Show. How to show that? Prove product of means equal to product of extremes, then it satisfies the given condition, or if not, it does not maintain that proportion. That's it. Here also they given same process. 4 20s, 5 16s. How much? 80 equivalent to 80 we got. So therefore these two fractions or ratios are in proportion. Next. Fill in the blanks. These questions we will discuss now. If two ratios are equal or same or equivalent, then only these two ratios are said to be in proportion. Find the ratio of the shaded portion to unshaded portion. They are asking now. So how to get it? Count the boxes which are shaded. Count the boxes which are unshaded. Do you get it? Shaded portions are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 boxes are shaded. And unshaded portions are what? Total how many squares are there? How many rows and how many columns? Count first of all. 48 are there. I kept in what manner? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 8. This is the 6 into 8 square. Always we will write 6 into 8 like that manner only. So what I am trying to say is, the thing need to be used. How to get it? All those here we have understood. The number of shaded portions, unshaded portions, ratios we have discussed here. And now I will discuss one proof. In the next video we will discuss the types of proportions. If suppose A, B, C, D are in proportion, let given condition, then show that A cube plus 3AB square by 3A square B plus B cube equal to C cube plus 3CD square by 3 AB square plus D cube.